Hi, I'm Danita, and if this is your first time here, this is also really pretty much my first time here too. So welcome. As you can see, I have a box in front of me today, and this is a very special unboxing. I have removed all the identifying paperwork, and I have pre-cut the box, the tape, but I have not looked in it yet. And so you and I are going to do this together for the very first time. And to say that I am excited is a huge understatement. These are some very special items that you may or may not recognize. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, there's a little, they're wrapped. Okay, hold on a minute. For real, it doesn't take much, okay, to make me cry. There's this little package. Sometimes you forget you're awesome, so this is your reminder. Let me just tell you, I've been sitting on this box for probably about a week, and I haven't been able to get myself to open it either. It's not worked out with scheduling or whatever. Like, I just didn't. And today was a really rough day, so then I opened this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. I got a little. Oh my gosh, is this me doing this? I got a little sample of some Louis Vuitton perfume. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right. All right. Yeah, I mean, let's do it, right? Oh, this smells pretty good. Hmm. 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 A little luggage tag. This is how you give it away. That's so funny. That's so funny. That is unique to the person from whom this came. Oh my gosh, and another one. Funny, 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 funny. Oh, little purse tissues. That's cute. Oh, some twillies, and they're darling too. I mean, I don't know. I guess I can't say twillies because they're not. They're nuts, but you get the idea. Those are cute. Ooh, a little bit of lotion. I mean, I know what we're all here for, but you know, this is exciting. I did not expect that. That's so nice. And you stop. Oh, that's my favorite flavor and scent in the world. A little lip balm. Listen, peppermint, okay, is the Windex for my age group. For everything, okay? So the Windex, it's a reference to my big fat Greek wedding. I'll give you the short version. Didn't know this was a movie review. And the dad put Windex on everything. He thought it fixed everything. And peppermint literally, quite literally does. All right, okay. On to the things. Okay, I don't know which one's which, so it's tied with ribbon. Oh, I wonder if that's a hint. So it's tied with some ribbons and wrapped up beautifully. It was a hint. It was a hint. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. There she is. Pochette Metis. I'm so excited. So, these are cult favorites. Everybody in the community is a big fan of these. I have been hesitant because, oh yes, because they have multiple compartments, and I tend to be a one compartment kind of girl. But knowing, oh my God, look at that. That is wonderful, perfect. My interest was piqued, you know, because they were a cult classic. So when this opportunity came up, I couldn't pass it up. Now, there's a bigger story to this, which really should probably, I guess, be saved for another day if I'm trying to make content and whatever. But basically, a friend in the luxury or designer handbag community was needing to lighten her load so she could accomplish her goal of a different bag. Bigger, better, I don't know, that's not for me. But I am in the beginning stages of my collection and experiences. And so I was like, why not help a sister out, literally. So I'm just really excited to have gotten these and to be part of helping her with hers and be able to have such a special story with the beginnings of mine. So, all right, now let's check, right? So this one got this ribbon with hair. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I mean, I really did it, huh? Oh, she's cute. She's cute. Are you ready? Are you ready? Look how cute she is. She's so cute. Oh yeah. She's got a little raincoat and the CLA. And there's, oh, it's open, and there's a little pocket on this side. And an adorable little coordinating strap. Okay, so on this side, it's a slip pocket right there. And then on this side, it's open, and it's got a little zipper pocket there. Oh, isn't that cute? All right. And then it's got these little oh my gosh, it had never been open. Okay. So I think these are supposed to open and then it can have the opportunity to kind of fall forward, but maybe not on the tiny ones. This is a mini, Peekaboo mini. That's cute. I'm excited. And there will be more to come. Anyway, thanks for coming along for this really special unboxing. And it exceeded my expectations. And I'm really thankful to have the opportunity to try out. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. She's so good. I'm really excited to be able to try out these two styles of bags and see how they work for me and continue on this journey. Thanks so much. Have a good one.